Here's what to expect from the free Winter Lights Festival at Canary Wharf. It's where the city meets the transformative world of art and light. If you've never been before, a word to the wise. Canary Wharf is busy and fast moving, so hang on to your hats. And speaking of hats, wrap up warm and grab your free map at the station. There's 12 special stops along the way which you can do in any order you like, and there's also plenty of places to get food and drinks. My faves included Illusion Hole at Eden Dock, Mirage in Montgomery Square, Evanescent Droplets in Cabot Square, Wave at Columbus Courtyard, and the UFO vibes from Error at West Ferry Circus. It's super well organised and it's on every single day from 5 until 10 p.m, finishing on the 1st of February. It gets super cold, so I recommend finishing off by warming up with dinner at the Ivy. Enjoy.